You guys don't look so serious. Adam, what are you doing? Goofy? Noah? All right. Get to bed. Say get to bed.
Follow the yellow brick road, follow the yellow brick road, follow the yellow brick road. Hello boys, how you doing today?
Okay, one last time, and it'll be a little bit. There'll only be a little bit left.
These are the kind of things we do on Kelly's birthday.
Say pirate ship sinking.
Okay, just a minute.
Happy birthday to me.
That makes you dizzy.
Do it again.
Okay, that's
Are you
enough.
worried, Adam, that my voice is going?